Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay vendors in QuickBooks Online. Start by creating vendor profiles and adding preferred payment methods. Record bills as soon as invoices arrive and attach receipts for audit trails. Schedule payments to match cash flow and avoid late fees. Use bank rules to categorize transactions automatically and reconcile accounts monthly to ensure accuracy and better vendor. When a vendor sends an invoice, enter it as a bill and include due date, account, and memo for clarity. Attach the invoice PDF so you have proof in QuickBooks. If costs will be billed to a customer, mark the expense as billable and select the customer. This keeps vendor payables clear and helps you track reimbursable expenses without manual cross-checking later. Use the Pay Bills feature to select and pay specific vendor invoices, ensuring each payment is applied correctly. For checks, either print directly from QuickBooks or mark them as printed when you mail them. Consider using bank transfers or the Pay Now option for faster settlements and to improve cash flow timing. Always reconcile the payment with your bank feed to confirm the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.